Hi guys, we're gonna have dinner right now with the nice fresh pierogies that came out of the deep fryer and something we just made in the last video. These are shrimp on a stick with Capn Crunch. So Rick's gonna join me, we're gonna have dinner.
Woo!
Why don't you join us too?
Time to eat.
Dinner's ready, Rick.
Good, I'm hungry. Smells good. Remember me?
You know Rick.
Hi, I'm hungry.
You've
I'm
seen
hungry.
him before. Oh, isn't this great? Shrimp on a stick.
How do you eat it? On a stick?
Yeah, you gotta eat it on a stick.
Like this?
Now wait, we got sauce.
First I'm gonna taste that plain. How's that?
Okay.
You can taste yours. Good. Big bite.
Mmm.
See?
Oh my god.
It's sweet.
Capn Crunch.
You done it again!
Okay, now try the sauce, right? This is sauce that I made using apricot preserves and sriracha.
Mm.
You want to dip in it or do you want me to drizzle it on?
Which one that one?
Mmm. See how you like that.
That's good too. What about them pierogies? What are we gonna do with them?
Here, let's have some.
I'll have some of them. This is good.
Well, pierogies we just made because the deep fryer was on. Might as well deep fry something else.
Is this my supper?
This is your supper.
It's good. It's delicious. I like it without the sauce on.
It is spicy, huh?
Mm.
Well, you could make it as spicy as you want, really.
I want some butter on my pierogi.
Oh, okay.
Do you?
No. Mmm. Wow. I like this. It was a little messy to make, wouldn't you say?
Not too bad. Salt?
No.
Pepper?
No thanks.
8-treat cream soda.
Last night we were in the store and he saw the cream soda. Gave him a flashback to his childhood.
Some people remember it.
Well, do they have a treat where you live? They must deliver it all over the country.
No, it's always local. And then they almost went out of business. And somebody kept it going. I forget who. But thanks.
Does it taste the same?
Yeah, I think so. It's good, huh? What do you do all day?
I worked.
Dream about Capn Crunch?
Yeah, I thought about this video making Capn Crunch Shrimp. And we started with raw shrimp and oh my god, they were huge.
Well, they could watch you making a video, huh?
Yeah, watch the other video. We'll put a link there. I'll also put a link to Rick's channel.
Woo-wee.
Actually, he has 2 channels. So I'll put both of those links there. And you'll enjoy them.
What else could you do with Capn Crunch breading? Anything, huh? Fried chicken?
Right. Get the box. Let me come back. Look, we got a big box.
I eat some of it.
But think about tomorrow maybe. You want to try something? Yum. What'd you do today?
Ooh, that's hot. I made a fried bologna sandwich.
Oh no, wait. A what?
Fried bologna sandwich.
Oh my god. I thought you ate a bologna sandwich yesterday.
Yeah.
Schaefer bologna.
But people were all suggesting, and they say that they fry them, and I should fry it, and I fry them too, but I just wanted to show the shape of bologna. So I fried it. It was delicious.
Crunchy. Hot. I've been telling him about this recipe for a long time. He's finally got to see it.
And taste it. Can I have this one? Who's the one with the gray hair in there? That's me. Hey. That stupid light.
Oh no, looks great. It looks great.
Makes it taste sweet, huh, this stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really different.
I like it. You like that stuff? What is that?
Bubbly.
Buble?
Did you ever try this?
What does that say?
These sips don't lie.
Buble.
This is 0 calories, 0 sweeteners, and it's sparkling water. Tastes like cherry. I like it.
Pierogi. Tastes like pierogi. Crunchy. You watch that Elvis special on HBO? The Searcher. If you have HBO. It was okay, huh?
Yeah.
2-part. We watched 1 part.
We watched 1 part last night, and I see he put himself a shirt on today.
It was okay, but we hear different stories now. We were there.
Right.
We had a personal tour through Graceland. And they're telling different things on this show. I don't know if they're just trying to make, I don't know, if they made things up or what. But anyway. Where'd I go?
Well, there were a lot of people on the show that knew him and could describe what things were like at that time. I thought it was neat to see so many old pictures before he became famous.
Yeah.
And it was good. I liked it. Tonight we'll watch the rest.
That's on for another 2 hours.
Then you can eat a bowl of ice cream.
With Capn Crunch on top.
No way.
Why not? That's
my
good,
God.
isn't it?
Oh no, another idea is forming.
Huh.
Yeah. I like the way it turned out. Maybe you guys want to try it.
Muckbang.
Muckbang.
Eat with us.
We like to eat with you. And tell us if you're eating something fun too in the comments. Okay?
Lipstick on my napkin.
Oh, it looks like cream soda. Doesn't it? Just a silly little video. Thanks for watching
Eating
us.
supper. It's good.
Thanks for watching us. Check our other links and come back and check us out again.
Bye. Have a
Bye.
nice night.